In this video, we're going to explore customer panel images in the settings of our admin panel. To start, we'll click on Settings, then click on Admins. Here, you'll find the Customer Panel Images section. So, what are customer panel images for? Well, these images allow us to customize our website's customer panel. We can change various images here, such as our header, background image, and images for features like map rentals, taxis, ride-sharing, split payments, and driver going home, to name a few. But that's not all. We can also change the icons for our web features right here. Varieties like an extensive range of caps, security, Swift Ride, licensed driver, and more can be replaced. Also, you can check the changes made on the admin panel directly on the website. For instance, you can see the changed map image, rental image, taxi image, ride-sharing image, split payment image, and more from the admin panel live on your website. That sums up the use of customer panel images on our platform. They're a handy tool for customizing elements of our website. So, I hope you understand how and where we use these images on our website. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide makes the customer image setting clear and useful for you. Thank you.